Alright, so this video is intended to show you how to upload documents to Turnitin. So I've logged into Turnitin. I'm not a teacher, I'm a student. So here it says that I'm a student. So this is what you'll see when you log in. Click the title of the class. Don't click the name. Do not click my name. I will get an email when you do that. So if you click the title of the class, you'll see a list of all of the assignments. Right now, you only have one assignment. You'll see the title of the assignment. You'll see any other info I may have added. So any further instructions that you need clarification on, I would have added there. And then the big thing here is the due date. So this is due September 20th, 2018 at 8 a.m. So that's tomorrow at 8 a.m. And remember, if you don't submit it by 8 a.m., I am going to show up to your first hour class. So here, it does say similarity, but nothing is listed here. What this is going to end up doing is that's going to, once you've submitted your paper, it will show you how similar this is to someone else's paper. So I'll show you what that looks like at the end here. But you want to submit your paper. And the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it's on single file upload. Do not click cut and paste, because what that means is you've got like this document that I have to copy all of this, copy it, and then paste it here. Don't do that. You do not want to do that. Don't do that. You are doing single file upload. So choose your submission title. You can do relationship paragraph. That's fine. If you want to do man and child's relationship, like whatever your relationship is that you're talking about. So it doesn't matter. I'm just going to put relationship paragraph. So whatever the topic is, so you could do that, but I'm just going to put relationship title. So you go to Google Drive, and it's going to ask you which one do you want to use. So they're asking you which account you want to use with Turnitin because they need access to your Google Drive. So I'm going to choose this account, and sometimes some of you might get another pop-up window that says you allow them to have access. And that's fine. Like, you give them access. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find a document for me to upload. So what's this? Oh, so I'm going to upload this document. So whatever it is, I'm uploading it. This is what it's actually called. This is what you've titled it in your Google Drive, but this is what it's going to show up in Zephyr, or excuse me, in Turnitin. So once you've got this all set up, then you press upload. So what's happening now is it's extracting it from Google into Turnitin. So it's still working, and here it is. So it says, please confirm that the file is the one you'd like to submit. So here's the information that you can look at. And if you want to take a look, is it actually the document? Click on this and it'll show you all of the material that you're going to submit. So if this looks like what you want to submit, then you're good, it's yours. It's what you should be submitting on Turnitin. So click on confirm. It's going to take a second, and now it says this is your digital receipt. You can print a copy of this receipt. You should make sure that you see this. If you do not see this, it has not successfully been submitted. So then I'm going to return to the assignment sheet, and it says similarity processing. So this is so if you look at what it says there, it's currently being generated, meaning Turnitin is looking through your assignment and seeing if they can see how it's similar to anybody else's. So here, this student, my assignment is 0, right? So that means everything on here is my original work, okay? Nothing in here is the same as somebody else's. So I encourage you to take a look. 0 might happen. That's kind of uncommon. I would be more likely to see, if you're using quotes, you're going to see a higher percentage, simply because those quotes come from a text. So, but if you see beyond 25%, that's kind of an issue. That's when we should really take a look. So you can always see what does it say, or what is it catching? What does it see? What does it say it's from another source? So whatever I find, if I fix it, I can go back to my document and I can fix it, and I can also resubmit it. So this is just saying like, oh, you only have a certain number of times you can resubmit. But if I've made those corrections, I can resubmit this paper. So like, oh, I fixed it. I want to make sure that like I've fixed my quotes. I fixed a bunch of other things. I've made sure that it's better, like it's not going to be a problem. So then, let's see, what can I I'll just upload that. See what happens. Oh, I forgot a title. Are they going to let me submit it without a title? Oh, jeez. Gotta have a title. But anyways, so you can check your similarity to see how similar it is to another person's work. And if it's more than 25%, you want to make sure that you change that, because it means that it's not you're now dipping into it's someone else's work and not really yours.